So what has seemed to have happened in the second hive is I can't find the queen, and she was marked blue, so I'm thinking they superseded her, got rid of her, and there's possibly a new queen in there. I just can't find her. Perhaps I just am missing her, but there's eggs. There's little brand new eggs in there, so whatever queen's in there is laying, whether it's the marked one or they superseded her. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to put a new box on. You can see in this hive I've already done that. I'm going to do that on this hive, put a new super on with 5 frames of old drawn out comb from the old hive I had, and then 5 brand new frames of foundation. So we'll see how that works. I'm not sure which they're going to like best. They don't seem to like the black foundation very well. They seem to like the wire crimp foundation the best. That's what I find anyway, or the white plastic foundation. The black, they don't seem to go for that too well. That's just what I've found in my opinion. So I'm going to show you how to put a new box on. I've looked several times through these frames and I cannot find a queen anywhere. Doesn't mean she's not there. I could be just missing her, but I found some cups that could possibly be they superseded her. When they're in the middle of the frame like that, then it's possible that they got rid of the old queen. They didn't like her. So put this back in. Oh, I really hate it when I squish a bee. And that's what happened. Sometimes you just try, you're as careful as you can and it still happens. Okay. So I'm going to get the box, the new box. And inside I have foundation. This is the plastic foundation, and then there are some with wire crimp. Someone gave me. They are distorted, but I'm going to try to use them anyway, see what they do. And I'm going to put some of the old frames from this hive over here on. This is old foundation that's been in that hive, waiting to be used. So I'm just going to mix it in with this. There's some more. The hives are doing so well, I decided to put new boxes on today. As you can see, I've mixed it. There's 2. There's a box with new and old frames in there. Okay. Pretty evenly spaced. I'm gonna put the lid and the top back on. Okay. And that's it. I hope it was helpful. See you later.